We're back at Stoney Creek again today. This time, no trails, no loop. We're going to just try these connectors. See how they are, the double track all the way around. There's a bunch of them. And I even brought my map because, you know, real men don't use maps, they have wives. I don't have a wife, so guess what? I got a map.
What the hell up?
And then we're not going to go for any fast shit. I just want to have fun on the connectors, see what they're like, get a few miles in, call it a day. Right now I'm on the connector basically from West Branch, parking lot B, heading back, which this will take you back to the Pines. And I'm just wondering if that tree's still in the way. Because down here there was a tree across. Oh, it's gone. These downhills can be real fun. But they have uphills, because you know how that goes. If you have a downhill, you gotta have an uphill.
That boy's about as sharp as a bowling ball.
I think this one going back to Pines is almost 2 miles.
Somewhere in this world there was a straitjacket waiting for that man.
And starting out the day, well, in the trees is nice, but temperature according to my truck, 85 degrees at 9 o'clock in the morning. Hopefully I don't get lost and get stuck on back 9 black like I did before. Or the roller coaster, which is a little bit above my level. Oh, unlock. I don't think you really need to unlock the fork. I just choose to. Like I said, a slow, easy descent.
What's going on here?
This isn't about speed, it's about having fun. This is mostly double track. But when you get up there, you kind of lose the second track. It blends into one. I think what kills me the worst are gradual uphills. It's all pedaling. I hope I can find that one connector that went downhill. Hell, I almost hit 30-mile-an-hour coasting.
You've got the brain of a 4-year-old boy, and I bet he was glad to get rid of it.
It's a little fast for an old man like me. You know, if I was in my teens or 20s, I would have enjoyed it. But being 64, had to get on those brakes because it was getting a little hairy. Just old people, you know.
11, go.
Now watch this one corner, there's a rock right in the middle of it. and was out here a few days ago, maybe a week ago, and the guy and his wife were doing the connectors. I guess she got in one of those deep ruts and kind of took a tumble. She was okay, but like so many people, she said, I think the only thing I hurt was my pride. Well, I've hurt my pride so much I don't even have one anymore.
Stop it, you knucklehead!
And there's the deep rut right there where she went down.
Shazam!
Don't try to be funny, will you, meathead?
So this is kind of the outside loop of your connectors. It'll take you from West Branch B along Shelton Road back to the Pines. See, this is where it goes, whoop, single track instead of a double. I guess because more people stay on the right.
You're way off. I say you're way off this time, son.
So my first plan is stay around the outside. Once I get past Pines, I'll just keep going. Pretty much keeping right. That should get me almost back to the parking lot. But there's a couple connectors I'll have to take going, and they're marked black. So we'll see what they mean. And for a 2-track, I don't know what they consider black. And no, I'm not going for personal records. I'm just going for fun. That shade feels good. And I guess that's Shelton Road over there. There wasn't hardly anybody in the parking lot, so it shouldn't be too bad of a ride. And for family members, yes, I have my first aid kit on my back. You know, old people that take heart medicine
Why, certainly.
need something. And around here, these are some of the offshoot skills. They're pretty difficult. They're not bad, but you got, you know, like a kind of a W frame there. Then up here you have the manual up, manual up, manual, and then drop down up ahead. And there ain't no way in hell I'm doing those.
Looks like I'll need a little help.
Now without a comedy track and a whole lot of laughs. But good thing it's close to the entrance from Shelton Road. Now we get medical quicker. And I believe we're coming up to the pines right now, around this corner. Yep, you go left, right there, that'll be pines. And rode that one about 3 times so far. Nice little trail. But we're gonna stay on the connector going on the outside. Like I said, I want to do double track today. I probably might do beach and pines later, but I'm not gonna film it, I already did that. So I haven't really done all these connectors, that's what's fun. So they're not made to be difficult. And like I said, these are new to me from the pines on. I haven't done them before. So I may be stopping here and there looking at the signs and the map because, like I said, I got no wife to tell me where to go. I had enough people in my life telling me where to go. And I'm still here, so I haven't gone there yet. Kind of deep ruts, you got to watch your pedals.
Holy shnikes.
Really not hard. You have some hills. Try the old man's ass. Not sure how many miles of connectors there are in here, but I'll find out. Nope, trail, nope. Taking on the double. This isn't really bad pedaling through here. I know the trails wear me out, and did 3 laps yesterday. Went on the bike walk path on the paved area yesterday. And that high grass is fun. Whips you right in the leg.
Will you shut up?
A little soft there. Not bad. Uh-oh. Big hill.
My, it's a big one.
This is a big, big hill. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Whew. That was fun. It looks like on the other side, it's gonna be real fun. Oh yeah.
Oh, Ricky, look!
That was definitely quick. A little squirrely on the tires, but not bad. Stupid phone keeps losing GPS for speed, so oop, another hill, looks like a longer one. Nothing we can't overcome. Bunny rabbit. Okay, decision. Go to 12 this way. Not sure what my map is. Haven't pulled it out yet.
11, so.
But we have fun. That's what matters. That's 3 miles so far. Trying to find a comfortable gear. Not sure where that one goes to. See where we're at up here. We don't want 17. We're at 12. Pause the Yahoo. Wahoo. So I gotta go to 13. 13, 26, 27, 1.
Come on! Quit stalling!
Where's 10? Oh, there it is. So I did do all the way around. Now I gotta go to 13. Numbers don't match what Grumba has. Like I said, I'm just doing fun here. Oh, there's Shelton Wall. Never been over here before. And then we're going to stay on the double track this way. This is the outside loop. That's a nice downhill. That goes out to the road. We want to go this way. And there's some double track there. Not sure where it goes. Yeah, I don't know where I'm going. I don't have a way to tell me.
Isn't it that silly?
A little uphill. Whew. Heating uphill don't go good. This is still uphill, gradual.
You're just wasting your breath, and that's no great loss either.
And I don't have power in the legs. Keep doing this. But I'll get there.
Suffering sassafras. I've been sabotaged.
Some downhill up here. Back into the uphill. Whew. Big hill, uphill coming.
Great horny toads!
Help! Help! Somebody save me! Help!
No, you're doing it all wrong.
Oh man. I don't know if I'm gonna make it.
Oh, I just
Nope.
can't bear to watch.
Not gonna make it up that hill.
Now there's a kick in the groin.
Like beating a dead horse. He's got no get up and go.
Oh. This is a roller coaster. Can't tell if we're recording or not. Yeah, back recording. Yeah, here. If you go over, you'll hit roller coaster. Wow, lots of hills back here. You definitely gotta have a water drink.
Well, back to the old drawing board.
And I'm on the largest gear right now. So, not sure. If I'll make it up these other hills, I should. Just had to get determined and quit wimping out.
You stupid horse. Get it going!
Come up 2 gears. I guess I was just needing water. But that was one hell of a hill, trying to come up. That was every gear I had. Okay, not that one. Wow, this is gonna be a nice one. I'm not sure what I'm running into, so I gotta do brake. Probably everybody else just has fun blowing through this stuff, but like I said, when you haven't been somewhere before, take it easy. Because this is definitely fast. There's some trails up in there. That could be back 9, I think. Well, I know one thing for sure, my shoes definitely stick to these pedals well. And yes, I'm running flats.
Will you shut up?
It is nice back here though, nice and quiet. The only thing that's going on is an idiot talking.
Don't try to be funny, will you, meathead?
Hello. Okay. I'm not sure where I'm at now, but like I said, I'm going to stay on the outside edge. Might be taking me back where I was.
Nice kid, but a little dumb.
Little yucky, nice hill. Ooh, looks like a nice downhill. Where am I at? I don't have a clue.
Make way for the king of the
I just get to
road!
ride.
Yahoo!
Good thing about being retired. Back to a different parking lot. Oh no, I'm back to the parking lot. Now time to take a short break, preferably in the shade.
Oh no, I don't believe it. I gotta get a worm's eye view of
It was
this.
definitely a fun ride. 4.6 miles, not bad. So we're gonna hold off. We'll hit some more shit later. Okay, coming out of the parking lot at the same spot. This time we're gonna come down to 27 and come across 39 and then do that loop. But I gotta get down to the pines. So yeah, I do have a map, and they have a lot of maps up here. So if you really want to go, if you really want to ride, they got maps all over the place, so it's not bad. Thank you. That's my biggest downfall, are hills. These old legs just don't do it anymore. I think once I get back to the parking lot after this bout, I'll probably hit the beach and see how that goes. See how I feel. Maybe lose this damn helmet where it's hot. This is 27 is where I want to go. This should be a short one. I think it's the 39.
Now then, yikes! And away!
Oop, a little bit of mucky.
Makeup!
This is a nice little trail. And if you're not into turning real hard and all that other stuff, I'd say hit the double track, the connectors. You can get a good workout and have a good time. You don't have to try to go fast. You don't have to try to be a KOM or anything like that. Just take them easy. Watch your mouth. There are a lot of bugs. Oh, there's a roller coaster. Whoa. We're on a big hill here.
Holy shnikes.
You get lower gears. Really made it up that sucker. That's better. Definitely a workout. I guess my heart monitor is not working because I know that heart rate's up.
Well, back to the old drawing board.
definitely fun. My idea of fun and other people's ideas of fun are two different things.
That boy's as strong as an ox. And just about as smart.
Little Sandy there. Another hill. Whew. Another steep uphill.
Help! Help! Somebody save me! Help!
Oh, steep downhill.
Oh, Stoney, Stoney, a supply for me.
Well, hog gravy and chitlins. Make way for the king of the road.
Wow, you can get some speed. I think that's when it kicked my butt going the other way. Wow, that was great. Holy shit. You gotta do that one. At least once. Oh my God. I think I could have hit 30 or 40 mile an hour coming down that hill if I wanted to. But I don't trust myself enough.
Tell me,
Especially on gravel.
Is there any insanity in your family?
That'd be definitely one hell of a mess. Wiping out on that shit. Yeah, that's the one I pooped out on. Had to walk up. Back to Shelton's wall. Wrong gear. I'll get up. Whew.
That is a kick in the groin.
Nice flat shit. This one should take me back where I started. So coming around 27, you get over there, there's one hell of a hill to have fun on. Get back to the parking lot, take a break, Then I'm gonna hit the beach. Just for the fun of it. Maybe refill the bottle. We'll see if I got enough in my tank to do one lap around the bike walk path. This is only 6 miles so far, but it's a good workout. Yeah, I pedal good on the flat shit, don't I? We'll go this way. Probably lost again. Probably end up on roller coaster or back 9 in the black. Going, holy shit, Batman. Okay, we're to the pines. That's part of it. We're on a different path than I know of. Oh, this goes back. That was the other half of pines I've never been on yet. So much fun. Getting a little warm. And this is the first connector I did all day back to the parking lot. This is one that takes you to the pines. And where we came out of, if you only do the first half of pines, that's the connector to bring back over to this connector back to the parking lot. So there was a couple of hills nearly killed me. One I had to walk up. And that was going all the way to my lowest gear. That's because 64-year-old man with nothing in the tank ain't going up no damn hill like that.
When 900 years old, you reach look as good you or not.
Maybe when I rode the bikes in the early 70s, hell, I would have zoomed up that damn thing. I wouldn't have known any better. Roots. Like I said, this is not a speed race today. It's just about getting mileage done. And having fun. These connectors are definitely fun. and challenging. If you hit the right ones. Some of them aren't bad, but I think that hill is they listed as a black. The only reason it's a black, it takes every bit of your energy to get up the damn thing. The old fat people don't have energy. It's fun.
What a joke.
See, it's supposed to be a double path. You only have one really true clear path. This other one, it's passable. And they all go away. You can tell it's getting hot. It's getting harder to breathe because air's very thin when you get hot. So, like I said, I'm not here to win no awards or nothing.
Come on!
Just having fun.
Quit stalling!
And tomorrow I'm supposed to go fishing in the morning, so I'm not sure if I'll make time to go riding again or not. A little slick there. That's one you can dump on right there, that deep channel. There's one with a rock, you gotta watch yourself around. There's the blind corner. It's warm. This is nice. Like I say, if you want to do it for fun, this is it. It'll give you exercise. This just basically takes you back to the park on by Shelton Road and the Shelton Wall. And little benches laying around so you can take your breaks. I normally try not to take breaks once I'm riding, but some of those hills, no choice. They were going to kick my butt. I think that's one on the map is listed as black. The only reason it's black is you're going to be hiking a bike unless you're in real good shape. And I ain't.
Ah, shut the hell up.
I wholeheartedly believe if you want to have fun, come out and do the connectors. You don't have to be a trail person. Just hit those connectors once. You'll enjoy it. And when you get in the trees and everything where the shade is, then it's not going to feel as hot as what it was in the sun on that bike path. It's about 10-15 degrees cooler down in here, which is really nice on a day like today. Too bad this stuff wasn't around when I was a kid in the 60s and the 70s. It would have been so much fun. Now, living in St. Clair Shores as it was building up, we had some places to have fun, but nothing like this. And we're back to the parking lot. And we're going to say goodbye to the GoPro and try the beach once and then call it a day. Until then, have fun, hit the bikes. Bye.